Let's see how to disconnect two iPads from each other. In the first step, open Settings. Next, press on your Apple ID at the top. After that, pick iCloud. Next, disable all the shared features. In the next step, open Settings. After that, go to Bluetooth. After that, remove the paired iPad. In the next step, open Settings. Then select General. Next, press AirDrop. Now set it to receiving off. In the next step, open Settings. Next, choose Screen Time. Next, click on Share across devices. Later, switch it off. In the next step, open Settings. Then click on your Apple ID. After that, scroll down and tap Sign Out. You are good to go.